Welcome to Farming 4.0. Today we're taking you on a fascinating journey through the complete process of making honey. In this video, you will discover how honey is extracted from beehives. Stay tuned as we unveil the incredible work of bees and the steps involved in bringing this sweet treasure to your table. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications. An important role of honey is as a natural antimicrobial agent. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties due to its content of hydrogen peroxide, acidity, and phytochemicals. These properties make honey effective in treating wounds and burns, as it can inhibit bacterial growth and help prevent infections. Additionally, honey is used to soothe coughs and sore throats due to its soothing and emollient effect. It is a popular natural remedy in traditional medicine for various ailments, including colds and digestive issues. Our journey begins with a crucial first step, calming the bees. To safely extract the honey, beekeepers gently mist the bees with a special spray to make them drowsy and prevent them from attacking. This careful process ensures the bees remain calm and the beekeeper can work without harm. Let's dive in and see this fascinating technique in action. After the bees are calm, the beekeepers carefully remove the frames filled with honey. These frames are then transported to the honey collection area. Let's dive in and see this fascinating technique in action as we get closer to bringing this sweet treasure to your table. The frames are placed in an extractor, a machine that spins them at high speed to release the honey. The honey is then collected and poured into a large barrel. In the barrel, the honey is stored and prepared for bottling. This step ensures the honey is ready to be packaged and delivered to you. And there you have it. From hive to jar, this is the journey of honey. Thank you for joining us on Farming 4.0. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more fascinating farming adventures.